Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the Apple Watch has enough power and you know the Apple ID and passcode. Once charged or on the charger, press the digital crown to open apps, then tap Settings. Make sure you're disconnected from your iPhone. If the watch is still paired, unpair it on the phone first. Now, you'll start the erase from the watch itself, so you don't need the iPhone to finish this process. You tap General, scroll to reset, then choose Erase all content and settings. When prompted, enter the watch passcode. This confirms you own the device. Next, if activation lock appears, enter your Apple ID password. This removes the lock so the watch can be set up later. On cellular models, you'll be asked to keep or remove your plan. Decide now. Once confirmed, the watch reboots and begins wiping all personal data and settings automatically. You'll see the Apple logo and a progress wheel as the watch erases. Make sure it stays on charger until complete. Once the process finishes, the watch shows the Hello/Setup screen. This indicates success. If the watch still asks for the previous Apple ID, sign in at iCloud. To remove the device from your account, or contact Apple support for activation lock help. If the erase fails, force restart the watch and repeat the erase sequence from settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.